Now we will learn Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule is used to solve simultaneous equation. Before to proceed, subscribe to my channel Omkar Engineering Classes. Press bell icon, like it and share it. Now we will learn Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule is depend upon method of determinant and it is used to solve simultaneous equations. In simultaneous equations, we want to determine value of variable. Here there are three variables x, y, z. So we required three different equations according to the Cramer's rule. Here the first equation is x plus y plus z equal to 6. Another equation 2x plus y minus 2z equal to minus 2. And third equation is x plus y minus 3z equal to minus 6. Here we want to use first column of the determinant as coefficient of x. Coefficient of x from the first equation is 1. From second equation, coefficient of x is 2. And in the third equation, coefficient of x is 1. Similarly, using second row, second column as coefficient of y. All the coefficient of y in all these three equations becomes 1, 1, 1. In third column there is coefficient of z. From the first equation coefficient of z is 1. From the second equation coefficient of z is minus 2. And from the third equation coefficient of z is minus 3. Now we want to solve this determinant. Here using first row and first column, the common factor is first term 1. Take common outside 1 into the determinant. Remaining elements are from row 2 and row 3. 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3. Then when we will use second column and first row term, then use minus sign, minus 1 determinant. Remaining elements are from the first column and third column 2 minus 2, 1 minus 3. Then from the third element 1 plus 1 determinant. Remaining elements from the first column 2 and 1 and second column 1 and 1. 2, 1, 1, 1. Then according to the determinant multiplication of principal diagonal and reverse diagonal, we get principal diagonal multiplication of principal diagonal 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Then reverse diagonal 1 into minus 2, we get minus. But when we use reverse diagonal multiplication, then use negative sign. That minus and multiplication of this minus write in square bracket. Then minus sign for the second determinant into bracket. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Reverse diagonal, use minus sign. Then multiplication of 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Then For the third determinant, use plus sign into bracket. 2 reverse diagonal multiplication minus 1 is equals to minus 3 minus minus plus 2 from the first square bracket, then minus sign into bracket, minus 6 minus minus plus 2 plus, then from the third bracket we get 1. The solution of this first bracket is minus 1, then minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 plus 1 is equals to minus 1 minus minus plus 4 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. For the first determinant we get the value 4. Now to determine dx, consider first coefficient of x, first column which containing coefficient of x is replaced by the value of 6 minus 2 and minus 6. 6 minus 2 minus 6, and other two columns write as it is. 1 1 1 1 minus 2 minus 3 is equals to 6 into bracket minus 3 reverse diagonal minus minus plus 2 minus 1 into bracket minus 1 into bracket minus minus plus 6, then reverse diagonal minus 6 into minus 6 minus minus plus 12, and for reverse diagonal minus 12, then plus 1. It is not necessary to write 1, so multiplication of again principal diagonal minus 2, and then my reverse diagonal minus 6 and minus plus 6 is equals to 6 into bracket minus 1 minus into bracket minus 6 plus into bracket 4. Solution minus 6 minus minus plus 6 plus 4. Plus 6 minus 6 get cancelled, we get 4. Similarly for dx, dy, in the determinant of d, instead of coefficient of y, write the values of 6 minus 2 minus 6, and first column remain as it is, 1 2 1. And then from this 1 1 1, instead of this 1 1 1, use 6 minus 2 minus 6. And then last column remain as it is, 1 minus 2 minus 3. Then solution of this determinant according to the 3 by 3 determinant. 1, it is not necessary to write 1. Then principal diagonal, multiplication of principal diagonal, minus minus plus 6, then reverse diagonal minus 6 into minus 2 minus minus plus 12, and for reverse diagonal use minus sign. Minus for the middle term, minus into bracket minus 6 into bracket, multiplication of principal diagonal, 3 2s are 6 minus 6, principal reverse diagonal multiplication, minus minus plus 2 and plus into bracket, multiplication of principal diagonal, minus 6 into 2 minus 12. Reverse diagonal minus 2 minus minus plus 2. We get minus 6 into bracket minus 4 and minus plus minus 10. Then open the all brackets. Minus 6 minus minus plus 24. 6 4s are 24, and these two minus we get plus sign. Then minus 10. Here minus 6 and minus 10, minus 16. 24 minus 16, 8 plus 8. Then dz is equals to determinant. Again, from the d, instead of coefficient of z which containing column 3, use 6, minus 2 and minus 6. First two column remain as it is, 1 2 1 1 1 1, and then for the third column 6 minus 2 minus 6. Solution of this determinant: 1 into bracket minus 6, multiplication of reverse diagonal minus 2 minus minus plus 2, then minus into bracket 6 2s are 12 minus 12, then reverse diagonal use minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus minus plus 2 plus 6 into bracket, multiplication of these two terms, principal diagonal 2 and for reverse diagonal minus 1. Solution of all these brackets become minus 4, then minus into bracket minus 10 and plus 6. 4 minus 4 minus minus plus 10 plus 6, minus 4 plus 16 is equals to 12. Then to determine value of x, y, z using formula x is equals to dx divided by d, y is equals to dy divided by d, and z is equals to dz divided by d. Then the value of dx is 4. The value of dy is 8, and the value of dz is 12. The value of d is also 4 divided by 4 divided by 4 divided by 4. The value of x is 1. Value of y 2, and value of z is 3. Thanks for watching my video. I am coming with new topic in next video. Friends, do not forget to subscribe my channel.